Hey, this is James Pelton, and I have a project for you today that has completely changed my life. Okay, and that might be a little bit dramatic, but that's what YouTubers are supposed to do, is be dramatic to draw you in. But no, if you're a crypto user, I think you will agree that this project is a big deal, okay? And this project is called Spritz. So what Spritz allows you to do is you can pay your credit cards, your mortgage, your utilities, your student loan, your car payments, all directly from your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so normally the process that I have to go through is I make a lot of my money in crypto, then I have to transfer it from my MetaMask wallet into Binance, then I have to withdraw it from Binance to my bank account, which is quite a hassle, then I have to pay my credit card from my bank account. Okay, and it ends up being a lot of work to get money from MetaMask into my credit card. And Spritz just takes out all those middle pieces and you can pay your credit card directly from your MetaMask wallet. So let me show you how it works. First off, you sign up, and I do have a referral link. What the referral link does is after you've spent $50 in bills, I get 20 bucks and you get 20 bucks. Okay, so it's not really that much, but so you can sign up with Google or email address and password. Once you get your account, you can add bills to your account. Okay, so you connect your wallet here, add bills, and you can add again credit cards, car payments, mortgages. Now this won't work if you're using like a local bank. They have a limited number of providers that they offer for now. They're planning on adding more to this, but if you're like using small Roca bank here in Nebraska, it's not going to work out. But if you have Wells Fargo, Chase, like my credit cards are mostly all Chase, so I can add them here. You can see I've added some credit cards. You can see this is the type of balance I keep on my credit card. I do have an e-commerce store that the inventory is purchased through there, but it'll show you your balance. It'll show you when your payments due. You can see past payments, and these are payments that are pending. And here are some that have been completed. But basically, once you have your bill up here, you just click Pay with Crypto. And there's three options. You can pay Ethereum, Polygon, or BNB, and you can do any coin on the chain. So again, on BNB, I can pay with my elephant token. In this case, I have a bunch of BUSD, so I'll use that for an example. But let's say I'm going to pay $2,000 off of my credit card here using BUSD. So click Pay, confirm it. It's pretty cheap, but I make my payment and it goes through, and then you can see the payment will be posted in 3 to 4 business days. So again, when I first started, I did a small payment just to make sure. I was like, what are the odds that this actually shows up in my credit card statement as a payment? But it worked great. And so then I started doing bigger payments, and now I've talked to the team and it's working great. So you can see here are my payments in progress. I have a bunch that are pending. Again, they take about 3 or 4 days to go through. And then here's all the completed ones that I've done. So I've made a lot through this, and it's working great so far. So I'm very excited about this. Again, you can use any token, Ethereum, Polygon, or BNB. But we're currently in beta, so some things, might not work. There might be some UI glitches and things here and there, and please report those. There's no transaction fees for the beta, as we're kind of testing stuff out. They will be rolling out pricing in the upcoming months, and they haven't totally decided how they want to do that, if it's going to be like a monthly subscription or they're going to take a percentage of each bill paid. They're working with regulations, so they're working with the government, so hopefully it won't get shut down there. They're doing crypto off ramps via ACH, crypto on ramps, crypto debit card with rewards, and a lot of other things on the roadmap too. But I was just so excited to find this. Makes my life so much easier, and wanted to share it with you guys. So again, if you're wanting to get started with the beta, you can go to the website to get more information. Again, I have a referral link. After you pay at least $50 worth of bills, it'll give you $20 and give me $20. So if you want to use that. But yeah, leave in the comments down below if you think this is useful, what questions you might have about it. I'd love to have the team on maybe for an AMA. Are there other things that make your life easier that you'd like me to check out? Other projects that are making you a lot of money that you'd like me to check out? Again, please leave those in the comments below, and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I think 40% of my viewers are not subscribers, so please subscribe. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. I enjoy what I do, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.